A good Friday. Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome today on Good Friday. Tomorrow it's Holy Saturday. We have here three regular puzzles. Two of them I've already solved. The 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. The Killer Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday. Friday. March the 29th, 2024. Alright. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but now in this afternoon, I will continue with the Killer Sudoku. The Killer Sudoku number 8270. 8270. And we have here 2 given numbers. The given number 4 and the given number 1. The given number 4 in this triple box of 13. That means that those 2 boxes together should be a 9. Here, given number 1 in the triple box of 13. It means that those 2 boxes together should be 12. Alright. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright. So let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. So these 2 big squares have 1 sharing box. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Alright. Let's go back to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright. Double 13 will be 26 plus 6 is 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. In this triple box, in this box of 13, the combination here will be 8 plus 5. Now, this big square has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know that number here. Okay, so 17 plus 7 is 24 plus 4 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. So 45 minus 35 is 10. These 2 boxes together should be 10. In this triple box of 16, that box, here we have 10. That box should be a 6. Alright. Let's go to this big square with 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I won't know what number this will be. So 15 plus 6 is 21 plus 9 is 30 plus 13 is 43. So 45 minus 33 is a 2. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Okay, then this big square has, if I count all these numbers, I will know these 2 numbers together. Then I will know what number this will be. 11 plus 9 is 20. 11 plus 9 is 20. So double 20 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. These 2 boxes together should be a 5. That means that box should be a 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Alright, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only 1 combination. Let me check. 6, 13, 13, 5, 12, 7, 6, 12, 11, 7, 11, 11, 9, 5, 16. The box of 16. Only one combination. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. 6. The box of 17. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Well, we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 7, 11, 8, 12. No triple boxes, okay, 8. The box of 17. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. That means we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be 9. This box should be a 7. Alright. 9, 13, 6, 15. Okay. Next. Let me see. Let me see. Boxes with two combinations. Well, we have the box of 5. There are two combinations for the box of 5. 4 plus 1 is, and 2 plus 3. Well, the 4 is already used in this third row. So no 4 and the 1 there. Should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, okay. Let me see. There are two combinations for the box of 6. 5 plus 1 and 2 plus 4. Well, the 2 is already used in the box of 5. So it should be 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. Alright, now. Now. Let me see. Well, in this third row, we need a 9. Here can be 9, because I cannot place the 9 in a box of 7, of course. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the column next, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the third row should be here. In the box of 11, combination will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So we have 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row. First row, the only 3 places left for 2 should be here, or there. Cannot place the 2 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 10. 10 is not allowed, highest number I can use is number 9. So the 2 should be here. In this triple box of 17, that means that those two boxes together should be 15. There are two combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6, well, 9 and 6 is already used in this big square, and 8 and the 7. So it should be here 8 and 7, 8 and 7. Alright. Let me think. No 4 here. Well, in this big square, we need a 4. These 3 boxes can be a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. And I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8. Otherwise, I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed. So the only place left for 4 in this big square should be there. And these two boxes together should be 12. So 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 1 is equal to 13. Okay. 8. Yeah. Well. Next. Need a 5 here. 5, 2, 3, or 4, and 1. Let me think. 2. Need a 2 here. 2 and a 14. It's in the 6. Yeah. Need a 4 here, 4 there. Need a 9. No 9 here. 9. Well, we need a 9 in this big square. Well, these two boxes can be 9. Okay. These two boxes can be a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these two. And I cannot place a 9 in the box of 7. So the 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Well, I cannot place the 9 there because those two boxes together should be a 9. So the other digit should be a 0. 0 is not allowed. lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 9 should be in the box of 12. Combination 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes and there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In the box of 13, the combination here will be 6 plus 7. In the box of 7, the combination here will be 4 plus 3. Alright, so 2 numbers left. In this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12, of course. Otherwise, combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed, so the 1 should be here. 5 goes there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 1 plus 5. In the box of 12, the combination will be 5 plus 7. So 1 is left in the third row for number 1 is missing. Okay, in the box of 7, the combination will be 1 plus 6. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay, these two boxes together should be 9, so 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, plus 4 is equal to 14. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, and 3. 4 is missing, 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9, 9. Here could be the 9. Okay. Alright. And now. Cannot place the 6 here. Well, we need a 6 in this big square. I cannot place the 6 in this triple box of 16 because we already have a 6 here. Cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, 6 plus 0. 0 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 7. Combination 6 and a 1. 6 and a 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 6, so it should be in these two boxes. The 7, combination 7 and a 3. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 4. 2 and 4. Alright. Okay. Well, there are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in this row, so I cannot place the 1 and the 4 here, so it should be 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, we have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. In the box of 11, combination will be 4 plus 7. Alright. So we have the box of 11 and the box of 9. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, of course. Should be in the box of 9. Combination 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Let me mark those 5 and 6. Here we have 8 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 and a 1, we have a 1 in this second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. Let me see. Well. 3 and 6. I need to think. 8. 7 here. 2 numbers left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. In the box of 9, combination 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 15. Cannot place the 1 in the box of 13. So it should be in the box of 6. Combination 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 5 goes there. Alright. So 8. 9. Well, We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. If I place the 9 here in the box of 15, then combination will be 9 plus 6. Well, the 6 is already used in one of those two boxes in this column. So I cannot place the 9 there. The only place left of 9 should be here. In the box of 13, combination will be 9 plus 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. Alright. Then 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those boxes. In the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. In the box of 11, combination will be 4 plus 7. 7 and a 3, we have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Nope, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Alright. 9 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here in the box of 12 combination. 9 plus 3. 3 in the 6, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row. The only place left for the 3 should be there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 3 plus 5. 1 box left in this row for the number. The 1, 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 is missing. In the box of 7, combination will be 2 plus 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. Then, let me see. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. We have a pair. The 4 and a 5 in this column. The 4 and a 5 in that column. So the 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 in the middle column. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. Suppose this is a... Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. That's the difficulty. Then I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so the only place left of 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, now in the box of 10, the combination will be 4 plus 6, and 1 digit left in this big square for the other one. The 2 is missing. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. But I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a good Friday, and we'll meet again in the evening. Until then, bye-bye for now.